Hello, my name is Alfredo and I'm a taxi driver. So, when I look at everything around me, absolutely everything, whether it be animals, fish, flowers, trees, everything that it's a living thing, I see one common denominator, and that would be DNA, right? So, if you believe in evolution, I would say nature is one clever lady. If you believe in creation, then yes, then God is a very clever supreme intelligence. But whether you believe in creation or evolution, the fact remains that everything around us that could be considered to have life has one common denominator, and that would be DNA. And so, why couldn't then be so easy to accept that because of that fact, that everything was created, designed, so as to spawn out just like the egg of a woman, for example. You have the egg, looks like a mushy thing, and then you have the sperm, and they collide and they start dividing, and then all kinds of different kinds of cells with one common denominator, DNA, come out of it. And as they start to divide, there would be nail cells and skin cells and liver cells and hair cells and etc. Well, then you have Earth, like an egg, and then you have, life spawns out of Earth, and then you have elephants and dinosaurs and giraffes and humans and plants and etc. How that happens, we don't know, but we know that there is one common denominator, and that's DNA. And how about if DNA is like this magical thing that you flip a switch and you get a dinosaur, and you flip another switch and you get a giraffe, and you flip another switch and you get a human being, and flip another switch and you get a chicken, and the activating of those switches are based on the environment that you find that DNA in. So if the environment is that of an Earth that is totally covered by sulfur, then you have something that could live in sulfuric environment. And if you have an Earth that is covered in water, then the things that come out are things of the ocean. And then if you are very, very close to or closer to the sun, then you get a different kind of animal, a different kind of flora. And then as you start to spin out from the sun, you get a different kind of flora and different kind of animal. So millions of years ago, the kind of animals that were designed to come out of this egg were things that looked like dinosaurs. That was a program. It was programmed that way because life has to survive. And then as millions of years pass, those switches start to change, and now the switch yields something that looks like what we have now. So it's both sort of like a evolutionary in a way, and creation in a way. Creation all the way from the beginning, and evolutionary because you have to be able to adapt to the environments that you're in. And you would say, well, that sounds crazy. Well, Think about this. The egg and the sperm, they collide, and there's a switch that says, you cell, you're going to be a skin cell. And there's another switch that says, no, you cell, you're going to be a liver cell. And so on and so forth. And the number of times that this happens in the trillions. Now, we don't have we don't have 60 trillion different kinds of humans. We don't have 60 trillion different kinds of chickens or pigs, or we have millions, maybe billions, different kinds of animals, but we don't have like trillions upon trillions. So the programming needed to build a human being, to design a human being, it's much more complex than the programming needed to create all the animals in between. To hear more about these ideas, please visit mysecondchanceinlife.com. Thank you.